Are you looking for the drawing robot? In this video, we will show the 5 best drawing robots. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 5. Drawing Robot for Kids Montessori Painting. Toys for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old. Voice interactive educational drawing machine with 100 cards, 16 colorful pens, and music. Gift for boys, girls. Enlightenment Drawing Robot. The drawing robot is designed to inspire early learning and creativity in children. Sparkle love for art and discovery with our Montessori-inspired drawing robot. It encourages hands-on play while building fine motor skills, problem-solving, and creative confidence. Children not only learn to draw, but also build cognitive and artistic skills in a fun and educational way. 100 drawing cards. Explore, learn, and create. The drawing robot comes with 100 drawing cards and covering 5 subjects, packed with kid-friendly themes like animals, nature, food, and everyday objects. Each card includes simple step-by-step instructions that help young artists gain confidence, artistic expression, and make learning fun. Fun Musical Drawing Buddy. The drawing robot serves as a fun drawing companion, featuring built-in music that makes the drawing experience more enjoyable. This drawing machine keeping kids engaged with cheerful background music. This creative companion boosts focus and hand-eye coordination as children follow step-by-step instructions. Number 4. Smart Drawing Robot for Kids. Draw Art Sketcher Kid Toys for 3 to 12 years old gifts. Tracing Educational Robots Toy for Girls, Boys Gift. Christmas Magic Painting Sketch Machine. Inspire creativity and learning. Drawing Robot. Our interactive learning sketcher toys is designed to spark imagination and foster early Montessori learning in kids. It helps develop fine motor skills, creativity, hand-eye coordination, and independent thinking through hands-on drawing activities. 150 drawing cards. The Girls Smart Sketcher No Projector for Kids bundle includes 150 pre-loaded magic drawing cards with a wide variety of fun and educational themes: animals, food, vehicles, nature, and more, helping kids to learn through step-by-step instructions. Discovery the word. BPA-free. Unlike Kids No Projector drawing robot products with light, it will not hurt your kids' eyes. Crafted from non-toxic, high-quality ABS materials, our No Projector drawing tracing toys features rounded edges in a durable, kid-friendly design that ensures safe and joyful play every time. Number 3. Smart Drawing Robot for Kids. Montessori Educational Painting Toy for 5+ with voice interaction and 16 color pens. Magic Drawing Robot with 150 learning word cards. Ideal gift for 5+-year-old boys, girls. Creative Enlightenment Drawing Robot Companion. The CYJB Drawing Robot fosters creative discovery and foundational skill development in kids. Rooted in Montessori methodologies, it promotes interactive discovery through tactile engagement, supporting the development of hand-eye coordination, logical reasoning, and self-directed learning capabilities. This innovative tool empowers children to explore artistic expression while naturally cultivating critical thinking and aesthetic perception through play-based educational experiences. Interactive Learning Companion. Transform playtime into a creative learning adventure with our interactive magic drawing robot for kids, the perfect companion to spark your child's imagination. This innovative toy is expertly crafted to bolster essential skills, including hand-eye coordination, writing, drawing, problem-solving, and creative thinking, making it an enjoyable and educational experience. Number 2. Flycatcher Smart Sketcher 2.0 Projector. Drawing and tracing projector for kids' educational arts and crafts toy. Art gift for boys and girls for ages 5+. Brand, Flycatcher. Color, teal and white. Included components: Smart Sketcher projector, USB cable, 60+ preloaded step-by-step drawing activities. Smart Sketcher projector, USB cable, 60+ preloaded step-by-step drawing activities. A learn-to-draw experience. This drawing projector is the ultimate tool for budding artists, providing a range of features to develop their drawing abilities, from projecting images for easy tracing to offering step-by-step tutorials, fostering personal expression with customizable options. It's the perfect companion for aspiring artists. App-enabled for endless fun. Seamlessly connect to smartphones and tablets via Bluetooth. Accessing the app provides additional content, personalized drawings, and interactive tutorials, ensuring a dynamic and engaging drawing experience for children of all ages. Snap a pic of anything, edit it in the app, project it to trace and sketch. Expanded content library. Right out of the box, enjoy a diverse selection of over 60 preloaded images, ranging from animals to landmarks and vehicles. Number 1. Drawing robot for kids with 150 cards. Voice interactive educational drawing machine. Montessori painting learning toys for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old boys, girls' birthday party. Enlightenment Education Drawing Robot. The Arviat Drawing Robot is designed to inspire early learning and creativity in children. Incorporating Montessori principles, it encourages hands-on exploration, helping kids develop fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and independent thinking. Children not only learn to draw, but also build cognitive and artistic skills in a fun and educational way. Children's Drawing Companion. The Arviat Drawing Robot serves as a fun drawing companion featuring built-in music that makes the drawing experience more enjoyable. This drawing machine helps children stay engaged and focused while they independently follow step-by-step instructions to create beautiful drawings, promoting their creativity, hand-eye coordination, and concentration. 150 drawing cards for endless creativity. The Arviat Drawing Robot comes with 150 drawing cards, offering a wide range of fun and educational themes. Children can easily follow step-by-step instructions to draw everything from animals to everyday objects, helping them build creativity and artistic skills.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.